I don't pour concrete often, but sometimes I have like small projects, and yeah, I need to do it. I don't consider myself to be a professional, but yeah. So now all the pipes have been installed, so I can prepare this floor for the concrete. And next step is to cover this insulation with plastic. So when you are pouring concrete, you get a lot of water, and with plastic I can protect all the wood around the floor. And the other thing is it's actually good when you don't let water run away from the concrete so fast, because in order to have chemical reactions in concrete you need water. I installed this steel mesh, but yeah, the next step to do is finish tying these pieces all together. As you can see here, I have done that with this I don't know how to call it. Is it like wire? And I use this tool to tie this wire around the mesh. So I still have to do it here. And then the next step is to add these spacers. It's just to give this mesh a lift, so the concrete can go or flow under the mesh as well. So I finished preparing this floor for the concrete. As you can see here, I have this concrete plate. This is the floor of a previous bathroom So I didn't see the point to demolish it. It's strong, it's well insulated, so what I did is I drilled holes and I connected this rebar into this concrete all around and tied this piece of rebar together with this larger piece, and hopefully it will keep this floor together as a uniform plate, so to speak. So I did the same here and on this side as well. And yeah, tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will pour concrete, which I have there in those yellow bags. And actually you have like a couple of options. You can order concrete from the plant with the truck, and so they pump it on your floor. But with smaller projects it's a bit difficult to get this kind of service, especially when you are like in an apartment building and you have like small projects. So the other option is to just buy this ready-made dry concrete. So you just need to add water. That's what I'm doing here. So I had to like this part and the part in the hallway, so I could go out. So I used these wood boards and to reach the door and not stepping into the concrete. So I'm using this quite large bucket, so I can take 4 bags, which is altogether 100 kilograms, and I can mix it all at once, so it makes it a bit faster. And for mixing I use this mixer. So it was quite cheap, but it has lasted so far. And yeah, so I'm also using this hammer drill. So I don't have this special concrete vibrating tool, so I just, in the concrete I will find steel mesh or this rebar, and I push against this rebar, and then it will vibrate. The other thing I use is laser, so it connects with this laser. So yeah, I of course forgot my rubber boots, so these boots probably will have their last day. They are old already and there are holes inside, so it's time to say goodbye. So the goal of pouring this concrete at the moment, it's just to have this strong, steady layer where I can build new walls. So this floor doesn't have to be so perfect, because later I will cover it with self-leveling compound, and at some points I will add underfloor heating as well. So yeah, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, but still I want it to be alright.